How to set up a YNAB account. Welcome back to a new tutorial video on how YNAB is a budgeting platform where you can directly link your bank accounts for real-time access. In order to set up your YNAB account, make sure you download the YNAB app onto your phone. Other than this, you can also use the web browser if you're using a laptop. Open up a web browser and then search for YNAB. But for this video, we're just gonna use the app. Tap open the app once you've installed it, and it's gonna give you the interactive interface. As soon as you open up the app, tap on the first button if this is your first time creating your account. So these are just the interactions that you can make that will be easier for you to use YNAB. Now lastly, when you're inside of this section, you'll have the option called Get Started. Just tap on this button. To get started, you'll need to type in your name and then tap on Continue. Just follow the on-screen prompts and answer in the questions or add in the information that have been showing. It's just gonna ask you a few questions and show you more information and what you can do from the platform of YNAB. These steps are important so that YNAB can automatically create your budget inside of it. So as I said earlier, based upon the answers that you selected, it will create a custom plan based upon the needs that you have. Now lastly, this is the main step of creating your account. Just fill in the information such as your email address or the password, and then you can tap on create account. Other than this, if you want to simply create an account quickly, you can use your Google account or your Apple ID. So just tap on one of these options, select the Google account or the Apple account that you have, and then your account of YNAB will be instantly created. Once your account now has been created, you'll be able to add in bank accounts to work with real numbers. So that was the video about the way that you set up a YNAB account. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.